Let's go live. January 30, 2025 market update. We're going to get an update on the Robinhood account that we set up and go through how that's going and the progress of that, as well as the market in general. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, definitely cryptocurrencies. Stocks are kind of sideways. Cryptocurrency has a huge opportunity here for a big bounce. President Trump came in. He's making executive orders regarding cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is poised for some movement here, and Bitcoin maximalists are upset about XRP taking a lot of the spotlight. XRP has become the most popular coin in the world, according to Google Trends. It's a lot to cover, so let's get into it real quick. We're going to start with coin market cap. All right, when we look at coin market cap, fear and greed index is a 54. So this is good news. This means that there's a lot more greed to come, and we're only halfway there. And so get ready. My prediction is February is going to be wild, and coins are about to take off. So this is, if you don't know what coinmarketcap.com is, you should familiarize yourself with coinmarketcap.com. It's a great resource. It's going to give you the all of the coins. So if we look at the top, it gives you all sorts of little things. That this thing right here is market cap, and that scrolls, but it'll tell you that there is 10 million cryptocurrencies. The wild thing is, just a week or two ago, I looked at this and it said there was only 2.5 million cryptocurrencies. So just in a couple weeks, 8 million plus cryptocurrencies have been created. So the exponential growth rate here is insane. 10.4. Yesterday it was 10.3. So it's wild. It's getting crazy. Bitcoin is still the big dog. It's number one. That's market cap, and it's crushing it. This is 2 trillion market cap versus Ethereum at 400 billion. And XRP is sitting at the number 3 spot because it's jumped up to $3, which is huge. So since the last time we spoke, boom, all of a sudden XRP is now at $3. So a lot has changed. Tether is a stable coin. Solana, Binance Coin, USDC is another stable coin. Dogecoin, Cardano, Tron, Chainlink, Avalanche, Stellar, Sui, Hedera, SHIB, Litecoin. These make up the large and mid cap tokens here. So when we go into categories, there's a new category that has been created on CoinMarketCap called Made in America Cryptos. There is speculation right now. The crazy thing is that Trump, apparently it was a Yahoo Finance article where Eric Trump said that taxes, capital gain taxes, will be eliminated, like no taxes for cryptos made in America. Wild. So XRP is the big dog in American-made coins. Solana, Doge, and my favorite, Stellar, right here, poised to make a huge move at 43 cents. The all-time high at 93 cents. So poised to double quickly and then run from there. So this is where I recommend you get some research in. Number one, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is purely entertainment purposes, and this is let's call it a fake account, okay? So started November 23rd, and let me make sure that I remove this. We're going to add in the Robinhood account. Here we go. All right, so we're going to bring up the Robinhood account. Here we go. Started November 23rd with $3,000 investment. Okay, it's Fugazi. Okay, up to 3,500 pretty quick, back down to 2,671, back up to 3,600. So from this peak at a gain of 21% that you can see there, down to a loss of 10%, there's a 30% swing here. So this is welcome to crypto. My portfolio consists of XRP, XLM, ETH, AVAX, SHIB, and Pepe. A note here on patience is I was way too quick to jump in on SHIB and Pepe, as the memes always get crushed. And the large caps large caps only down 6%, and mid caps are down 10 to 15%, with XRP being the killer and the savior of my portfolio right now, up 65%. So last time we talked about limit buy and sell. And so we put in a limit buy for both XRP and XLM. They both triggered, and I got XRP at a low price. So now my average cost for XRP is $1.88. With the price sitting up here at $3.12, that's a good buy. So 45% of my portfolio comes in XRP with a return of about $600, 65% return right now. The number one thing, whether you're on Coinbase or whether you're on Robinhood or Kraken or whatever, you have to understand the difference between a market sell and a limit sell. So we're going to go over that quickly now. All right. So I set the limit buy. Okay. We had the limit buy right here, and it was set at $1.91. So that triggered $1.91, filled. So as soon as XRP, I didn't have to watch it. As soon as XRP hit $1.91, I got to buy. So what was the low here? Here's $2. I mean, it doesn't even say it hit $1.91. But on the intraday, you're going to get these swings. And if we do advanced, I'm not even going to try that. But so I got a good buy here at $1.91. And ultimately, we're going to set up a sell. But you have to be able to know how to do a limit. So limit, a market is boom, you buy and sell for the market price at that moment. It's an emotional buy. So I gotta buy, I gotta buy, I gotta buy, I gotta sell, I gotta sell. And that's what a market is. So it's for suckers. Try not to use that. We're gonna use limit orders. So we're gonna place a limit order. And I'm fitting the price here. In my prediction here is in the next, again, not financial advice, just you do your own research. This is what my fake portfolio is doing right now. That this is going to double easily in the month of February. So we're going to set a buy at $6. Now, another thing is you have to price point your buys and sells. So can't sell at $6 because it might not hit $6, but it could hit $5.99 or $5.98. So let's go $5.89. That's a very special price to a lot of people. $5.89 is my limit price, and I'm going to sell $750 worth. So as soon as the price hits $5.89, whether it's in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day, no matter what I'm doing, boom, I'm booking $750 in my bank, in my fake bank. So you are placing right here, you are placing a limit order to sell $750 worth of XRP that's good for 90 days. Your order will execute if the XRP bid price increases of $5.89. Once executed, cannot be undone. So it's going to sell at $5.89. That's exactly what I want. So we're going to sell. Done. So that's the number one thing that you got to do when you set up a Robinhood or account or whatever. It's an E-Trade account or a Coinbase account, and you're buying and selling. Limit buys and sells. Avoid the markets. In Coinbase, the trick is in the top left. It has the little menu button. You got to click that. And then there's a button that says advanced mode. So you have to go into advanced mode. It's free. And the fees are dramatically less when you're doing advanced mode. And if you do a buy or limit sell, you can do that in advanced mode. You can't do that in standard, and they kill you with the fees. So stay out of the standard mode in Coinbase and do your limit buy and sell. So here's our XRP. So now you know how to do a limit buy and sell. Now you know how to look up the American-made coins. And when Trump eliminates capital gains on crypto, and they double, triple, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x from here, and then sell, you don't have to pay taxes on that. So you put in $1,000 here, 10x's, that's 10 G's, okay? And so you made 9 G's in profit, and normally you'd be paying a large amount of gains on that. But Trump is encouraging people to go buy crypto, specifically American-made crypto, XLM, XRP, big dogs, okay? So let's go. So I think that's about ready to happen. So my prediction here is in the month of February, this is fitting to go wild. I'll even read you from my book right here. Let's go full screen. My book, available on my website, KB13. I wrote this in 2020. Well, I wrote this, been writing this forever. It got published last year. But from 2021, this is a prophetic word that God, I'm reading the Bible, God's giving me words, and I write down, which I completely forgot that I even wrote until I was rereading this book and editing some stuff. And I wrote down this in 2021, February of 2025, the foundation and groundwork will begin. The laying of the foundation will be underway and a major shift to occur. So February 2025. In 21, I wrote that. So my faith is through the roof. If you don't know who Blockchain Backer is, you got to go follow Blockchain Backer. He encourages me and gives really good technical analysis to support my own relationship with God, telling me to do this stuff, make these videos. And there's our update, our market update. Cryptocurrency is about to go crazy. The key is you got to hit the limit sell. We're not hodling. Okay, this is not hold on for dear life. That was the last 4 years. We held on for dear life for the last 4 years. If you're getting in now, you have to be prepared to sell. So set your price points now. If I double, I'm going to sell X amount. Typically, when you double, pull your initial investment out. You put $1,000 in, you double it, and now it's worth $2,000. You sell your $1,000, you bank your initial investment, then you let the other $1,000 ride. That doubles again, do it again. That doubles again, do it again. Or I want to make 10x. As soon as it 10x's, then sell. It's important to lay out your strategy on a piece of paper, okay? And know what your plan is before you start buying stuff. And as you're buying it, and then know what the plan is on how you sell. And then set your limit buys and sells and back up. Get the emotion out of it. Because every single time I set a buy, and I'm like, I feel like the price is going to come down and I'm going to automatically get a buy here. And then in a day or two, it doesn't do it. So I get all antsy and I then move the buy up. And then inevitably, boom, it hits. And I should have just left it and kept it and got buy at a better price. So the sells happen the same way. Don't worry about it. Just set it. And now the key is making sure that you price point those. So don't say I'm going to sell Dogecoin at $1. And then it hits 99 cents and you lose out. So sell it at 94 cents, 95 cents, 96 cents. And then you have to stage your sells out. So as the price goes up, so here's an XRP chart for you. Look at this. As this price explodes, you set sells. So you might have sold a little bit here. You might have sold a little bit more here. And then you might have sold a little bit more here. And then as it continues to explode, you sell some more and you sell some more. So depending on where you got it. If you're getting it here, then you're maybe waiting for this to explode. And then you're going to sell here and here and here, or whatever the case may be. But it's important when you see this stuff, you have to sell on the way up. You're never going to time this perfectly at the top. No one sells right here. It just doesn't happen. And so you have to sell here, 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 up, and book those profits as you go up, and just be okay that you're not going to time the top. So there's our market update. Today is January 30th. February is going to be crazy. The ISO 222 tokens, which are the tokens for the bank tokens, are ready to explode. The American-made cryptos are ready to explode. It's time. Let's go.